With banks, it's turning out to be a good quarter again for banks. Big banks like Kotak Mahindra, ICICI reporting record high margins in Q3. Mid-cap banks like IDFC First Bank and RBL Bank also posted strong numbers. Abhishek joins us now with more. Abhishek, a strong Q3 for banks so far.
Well, the net interest margin for all the lenders have been robust. So that is aiding in terms of the P&L momentum in Q3FY23. For ICICI Bank, the net interest margin was at all-time high at 4.65%, and they continue to, outperform SDFC Bank on various parameters. Asset quality, both the gross NPA and net NPA ratio are one of the best in last 8 years or 32 quarters. In terms of P&L, they have beaten our estimate both on NII and PAT. Kotak Mahindra Bank, the net interest margin is one of the highest that you are seeing since Q2 FY15. So it has come in at 5.47%. Deposit growth quarter on quarter at about 6% level. That has actually gone down well with the street. Robust ROA or return on asset, which is close to 2.5%. Both in terms of NII and PAT, it's a beat on our poll. Bandhan Bank, the asset quality surprised positively given the fact that it has remained stable or improved. So gross NPA ratio has improved, net NPA ratio has remained stable. Brokerages are now upbeat given the fact that they say 90% of the stress has come in from the known stress portfolio of the bank. Collection efficiency is back to pre-COVID levels. The SMA book and the unprovided stress are actually down on a sequential basis, and valuations are attractive, and the stock can re-rate if at all they move towards the ROE of 20% level. So across brokerages, they have a buy or overweight rating, target price ranging from 320 to 350. Canara Bank, the gross NPA ratio is the lowest in last 7 years or 28 quarters. Net NPA ratio is the lowest in last 30 quarters or more than 7.5 years. Return ratios, one of the best return ratios that you are seeing for Canara Bank in last 8 years, given the fact that ROE has now crossed the 20% mark for the quarter. Annualized credit cost at a mere 0.9% is the lowest in last 30 quarters, and annualized slippage ratio coming in at 1.5% is the lowest in last 8 quarters. So in terms of P&L, both the NII and PAT is a beat on our poll. Back to you.
Abhishek, many thanks for joining us. Now, in a bit to speed up deliveries,